In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF in LibreOffice Writer. Before we start, here's a quick bit of context. LibreOffice is a suite with different apps for different kinds of documents. Writer is the word processor, like a traditional page of flowing text, while Draw is built for page layout, graphics, and importantly, handling PDFs. So when you open a PDF in LibreOffice, it doesn't go to Writer by default. It opens in Draw, and that's by design. Begin by launching LibreOffice on your computer. You can open it from your Applications menu, your desktop shortcut, or your dock depending on your system. Give it a moment to load. You'll see the LibreOffice Start Center with options for Writer, Calc, Impress, and more. Even though our goal is to work with a PDF, you don't need to pick a specific app here. We're going to open the file directly through the File menu. Next, go to the top left corner and choose File, then Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the folder where your PDF lives, select the file, and click Open. If you have multiple PDFs, make sure you choose the correct one. You can preview the file name and size to confirm. LibreOffice will automatically detect that it's a PDF and use its built-in PDF import filter. On some systems, the import may take a moment, especially with large or image-heavy files. That's normal. If your PDF includes special fonts, LibreOffice may substitute similar fonts that are installed on your machine, so the layout could shift slightly. When the file opens, you'll notice you're in LibreOffice Draw, not Writer. This is exactly what should happen. PDFs are not typical word processing documents. They're page-accurate layouts made of text boxes, images, and vector shapes. Draw is tailored for that. You'll see each PDF page as a canvas you can click into. Text usually appears inside individual frames. Graphics are selectable objects, and you can move, edit, or delete elements as needed. The toolbars along the sides give you controls for selecting, aligning, and formatting objects. If you expected a flowing paragraph view, like Writer, remember that PDFs preserve layout over text flow. That means editing happens element by element. This approach helps maintain the original look of the document while still letting you make precise changes. Take your time to zoom in, select the correct text boxes, and check that everything looks right after any edits. And that's it. Opening a PDF through File and Open will always route it into Draw, which is the correct and supported way to handle PDFs in LibreOffice.